I like it when there's an emergency like that in his voice. Gotta go, gotta go. It means something's gone wrong in his world.
I think it might be rude to use the telephone in the train.
Unable to talk to my rivals, I started to fiddle with the GT-R's buttons.
All the graphics on this system were done by the same company that does the graphics for the Gran Turismo PlayStation game. This is amazing. It's engine oil temperature, water temperature, engine oil pressure, boost. And that one gives me my acceleration and braking in G. Steering G, there it is.
これの値段はいくらですか？
これいくらですか？250円。
I can't understand the answers.
No, exactly. It's pointless.
That's the problem.
2 fried eggs. That's not what I want.
I do that. Oh, yeah, that was... Yeah, sorry, officer, I was trying to get half a G while changing lane. Speed camera coming up. There we are.
As James and Richard trundled towards Kyoto, I was hurtling up the west coast of Japan. Or was I?
I'm definitely in Switzerland. I've gone wrong. Somehow I've gone through North Korea, Russia, Poland, Germany, and I'm in Switzerland. How have I done that?
The mountains were staggering, but sadly I couldn't look because the Japanese had tunneled through every single one of them.